That heart, that's a sound, pure, crystal, clear, attached to Allah, loves everything, million lines under, everything that Allah loves, hate everything Allah hates. For example, how I'm gonna know this? Simple, Google or Quran search. There's an app called Quran search. Inna Allah la yuhib. Allah, verily, Allah does not like or love. The ayat is gonna come. I'm gonna write this. Inna Allah la yuhibbul kafirin. Inna Allah la yuhibbul mutakabbirin. Inna Allah la yuhibbul zalimin. Allah does not like those who associate with Him. Allah does not like those who are arrogant. Allah does not like those who lie. All this I put it. And then on the same time I'm gonna say, Inna Allah yuhib. Allah loves. Allah loves. Yuhibbul tawabin, yuhibbul sadiqin, yuhibbul mutasaddiqin. All these. Come me and you. Where am I from these? So look at your emotions. Where is your emotions being invested? Most of the time, it's in children, spouses, parents comes in, and dunya matters. All these, they will leave us or we will leave them. So look at your love and hate.